Timbot, please.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Fayette County, Ohio, central Clinton County, northern Highland County, northwestern Ross County, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Wilmington, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Wilmington, Greenfield, Sabina, Leesburg, New Vienna, Staunton, Good Hope, Martinsville, Highland, South Salem, Melvin, East Monroe, New Antioch, Samantha, Paint Creek State Park, Cuba, Lees Creek, Reesville, Rock Mills, and Morrisville.
I have to confirm that because,
Central Indiana, including Dayton and vicinity. Tonight, partly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 70s. West winds.
I'm sorry?
50%.
In that case,
Lows in the upper. Wear lightweight and loose-fitting clothing when possible. To reduce risk during outdoor work, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration thunder was reported. Or air
What? One minute. In that case, then can I... Well, heck and heck.